We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Trigonometry. The problem is on heights and distances, and this problem has appeared in JEE Main exam held on 25th July 2021 in the morning shift. The problem is a spherical gas balloon of radius 16 meter subtends an angle 60 degrees at the eye of an observer A, while the angle of elevation of its center from the eye of capital A is 75 degrees. Then the height you have to measure in meters of the topmost of the balloon from the level of the observer's eye is. The four options are given to us. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have a spherical gas balloon of radius 16 meters. So this is the spherical gas balloon of radius 16 meters. Given the balloon subtends an angle 60 degrees at the eye of the observer A. The eye of the observer A. So the balloon subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the eye of the observer A. The line joining A and C, what is C? The center of the balloon, that line AC bisects the angle BAD, that is equal to 60 degrees. AC, it bisects 60 becomes 30, 30. Given the center of the balloon subtends an angle of elevation of 75 degrees from the eye of A. So we have drawn the level of the eye, and the center of the balloon subtends an angle 75 degrees from the eye of A. So this will be 75 degrees. Let E be the point, the topmost point of the balloon, and EF be the perpendicular drawn from E to the level of the eye. So E is the topmost and EF is the perpendicular from E to the level of the eye. And required to find, note that EF passes through C, required to find the height EF of the topmost of the balloon from the level of the observer's eye. So EF you have to find. We will discuss this in the next slide. So this is the diagram what we have been discussing. We want to find EF, that is the height of the topmost of the balloon from the level of the observer's eye. Now EF is equal to EC, that is radius, plus CF. The EC is 16 plus CF. To find CF, we consider the right angled triangle CAF, and from that CF can be formed. So from the right angled triangle CAF, we have CF by AC is the sine of the angle CAF, that is sine 75 degrees. That is CF is equal to AC multiplied by sine 75 degrees. But what is AC? To get the AC, consider the triangle right angle triangle ACB. From that, calculate AC. So, in the triangle CAB or ACB, CB by AC is the sine of the angle CAB, that is 30 degrees. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So, AC will be equal to 2 times CB. 2 into CB is the radius, that is 16 meters. That is 2 into 16, 32. So, therefore, EF is equal to 16 plus CF from this, and CF is equal to AC times sine 75, and AC is equal to 32. So, therefore, EF is equal to 16 plus 32 times sine 75 degrees. We know how to compute the sine of 75 degrees. Some of you may be knowing by heart. And let's see, sine 75 degrees is equal to sine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, that is sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, where A is 30 degrees, B is 45 degrees. And let's put down the values of sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. And adding, we'll get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So, sine 75 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is equal to 16 plus 32 into sine 75, this value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 cancels, 8 root 2 times in 32, you will get 16 plus 8 root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus 1. Let's take 8 common, 8 times 2 plus root 2 into root 3, root 6, root 2 into 1, root 2. So, 8 times in brackets, 2 plus root 6 plus root 2. That's our answer. Let's look at the options. Our answer is appearing against the option 4. Therefore, our answer is option 4. So, that is the discussion of the solution of the problem on heights and distances from the section trigonometry. I hope that you have understood the solution of the problem and go on working out some more problems from the heights and distances, and it is a very important section. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.